Hey guys, so I got a PlayStation 3 Slim off of eBay. It was actually quite cheaper than most PS3s found on eBay. We're gonna take a look at it, see what it looks like, and if it even works. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. It is time we open the gigantic package.
It is time we open the gigantic package.
Is that a towel? So instead of using styrofoam for padding, this person used a towel.
A towel. I mean, oh, for fursuit padding or like what
No,
padding?
It's just, you know how like when you ship something, like you want to protect the package from getting destroyed?
Oh my god.
This person used a towel to protect it.
Well, did it work?
I don't know. I haven't taken it out of the box yet.
Take it out of the box.
I'm trying to not break my monitor because it's very hard to open this box. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Cardboard. Wow.
You got a free bath towel. That's amazing.
Dude, this is disgusting. Wow. Oh, look how pretty. I need to clean it.
What did you buy? Oh my gosh, is that a Penis Station 3? I've always wanted one of those.
Did not come with a controller, but oh well. Came with an AV cable. Let's plug in. Where's the power cable? Where did I put it? Yo! Huh. I'm an idiot. I forgot to plug in the freaking the cables. The cables. There we go. Okay, it works. Press the PS button. I don't have a controller for this. Oh, actually, I don't even know if is there a game in here? Oh my god, there's a game in here. Oh, that's why it had the blue light on it. Okay, now I'm gonna plug in the PS2 because that I needed an AV connection for, but now I actually have one, so I'm gonna plug it in. Yeah. Hell yeah. Cool, so both consoles work. What if okay, hang on. Let's get the game. I found it. Black for the PS2. Will it read? The answer is no. Okay, so that works, but the disk drive doesn't. Give me my disc back. So the PlayStation 3 does in fact fully work. And as I currently do not have a controller at this point in time, I will have to control it using a keyboard. Which, yes, if you do not have a controller for your PlayStation 3, 4, or 5, you can use a keyboard. Now, can it actually run applications? Let's go ahead and download YouTube. See if that works. I love that animation. Ah, sure. Install the update for YouTube. Did it press it? Okay. Well, we seem to be stuck on this screen now. Well, that froze it. Okay, the iPhone 6 is coming in clutch because my iPhone 14 Pro battery is dying. We're gonna go ahead and try to update this. It probably isn't going to. That's unfortunate. I also don't have a controller so I can exit this menu with. I'm trying to press the cancel button, which is escape on the keyboard. Okay, this clearly is not working, so I feel like we're going to have to turn off the PlayStation and turn it back on. I do really like the glowing buttons that this PlayStation has. That's a really cool feature. The Slim model is my favorite PlayStation 3 model of all time. And the fact that I now have one working, is pretty cool to me. I just need a controller. Now let's try to turn it back on, and it's gonna give me the error that it wasn't shut down properly. Oh, no, it's fine. Now let's try to insert a game. We're gonna do the game that actually came with this PS3, which is South Park: The Stick of Truth. Yes. Latest up. Oh, god damn it. Ah, No. No. Why does every game need an update? I don't know if this actually plays games, because everything needs a freaking update, but I can't update it because I don't have a controller, and I don't think I can actually update it using a keyboard. So testing the damn console is pretty much inconclusive. It does power on, it does read the disc, which is a good thing. I was able to get onto the internet and sign in with a PlayStation Network account, although I had to make a new one because I couldn't access my old one. Let's try the web browser. This page can't be displayed. Let me get a mouse. Oh my gosh, the mouse cursor actually works. Okay, search. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Can we actually do it? Can we? No way. Will it load? That is the question. The answer is no. No, it will not. It just loads that. Okay. Search. I didn't like that sound. What if we just search my name on Google? See what that brings up. Ah, there we go. We scroll down. Ah, we can. Alright, so it also has my old channel. That's cool. If we go to images, can it load images? Oh my gosh, it can. So, I looked up my old username, and yeah, stuff still comes up. Let's go to images. Yes. Who's that? Let's click on it. Oh no. Is there a next? Can I see more pictures? I can. I'm using the mouse. I'm using the mouse. I don't think it likes this. Information. Okay, so it's a 111 gigabyte drive. What's on here? How do I see what's on the actual drive? Well, I think I've tested all I wanted to with this PlayStation 3. There may be a secondary video on it sometime in the future, but for now, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.